In this video, I'll show you how to calculate a correlation with Excel for PC. So first you want to identify your two scale variables that you'll be working with. Remember, you can only calculate a correlation on scale variables. And it doesn't matter the order that they're in. And there's two ways to calculate it. So I'm going to show you the first way. The first way is to just pick a empty cell, plus equals, and then start typing in correlation. CORR, and then it shows you what you need to finish typing in. And notice there's only one for both the population and the sample. That's because if you do both, they end up just being the same because it's standardized and the ends cancel out. So then you want to put a parenthesis sign here, and then array 1 is one of your variables. And then put a comma, and then highlight your second variable, close the parentheses, and press enter. And so the correlation here is positive, and it's a positive 0.70999. So that's the first way. That's without the toolpack. But if you have the toolpack, you can do it that way too. So go to Data, Data Analysis, and then find Correlation. Press OK. Your input range is going to be both your variables, so go up here to where you have both and highlight both. So I'm just clicking here with the arrow, down arrow there, and then holding in and highlighting both. And then press this again. And then we're going to put labels in the first row, keep it as columns because that's how we have it organized. And labels in the first row means we have variable names here in the first row. And I'm going to keep it in a new worksheet. You can pick where you want it in the same worksheet if you want. And press OK. And voila, we have it here. So this might be useful if you are doing a bunch of correlations at one time. Here we only had two at a time, so it's probably just easier to do it the other way without the toolpack. But if you're using the toolpack, it's helpful if you have more than two variables and you want to make a correlation table of all those variables and have each correlation between each of the variables.